See, our today's topic is matrices. See, this chapter consists of 10 marks question. This chapter and with another chapter determinant. This chapter to be asked for 10 marks in CBSE. Now, what is the meaning of matrices? Actually, matrices is nothing but the plural form of matrix. Now, what is the use of matrix? Consider the following system of equation. If you take these equations, these are system of linear equations. 2x plus 3y equals to 5 and x plus y equals to 2. See, in these equations, we are more interested with coefficients of x and y and constants 5 and 2. So, if you write only coefficients of x and y and constants 5 and 2, then these numbers can be written in brackets in this form. Okay, so this bracket, actually this bracket has no numerical value. Okay, but this is nothing but arrangement of numbers in rectangular form. So this arrangement is called matrix. So what is matrix? Matrix is nothing but the arrangement of numbers or objects in rectangular form. Okay, so this is a matrix. See, actually in matrix there are rows and columns. See, this is called first row, row 1. This is called second row, row 2. And this is called first column, C1. And this is called second column, C2. So this matrix has how many rows? 2 rows and 2 columns. Okay. So order of this matrix is actually 2 cross 2. Okay. And this matrix, in this matrix, how many rows and how many columns are there? See, these horizontal lines are called rows and vertical lines are called columns. So how many rows here? R1, R2, and this column, only one column. Okay. So while writing the order of the matrix, first you have to write number of rows, then number of columns. So how many rows are there? 2 rows. So order of this matrix is 2 cross 1. Okay. So what is in general a matrix? Okay. So now we can give the general definition of matrix. So what is general definition of matrix? So definition of matrix, definition. So matrix is a rectangular arrangement of m into n elements in m rows and n columns. Okay. So what is the general form of a matrix? We represent matrix by capital letters of English alphabet. So if we take a matrix A, which consists of m rows and n columns, so that matrix can be written as A11, A12, A13, so on, A1n, then A21, A22, A23, A2n. Okay, so this is first row, this is second row. Okay, so in this way, can you write ith row? What will be the ith row? Are you able to write the ith row? See, ith row can be written as, let us suppose there is one ith row. Ith row can be written as AI1, AI2, AI3, AIN. So this is ith row of matrix. So what will be the last row? If order of this matrix is m cross n, so mth row will be am1, am2, am3 and amn. Okay, so this is, you can say, general way of writing matrix. So this is nothing but ith row. This is ith row. Now, so this is first element of ith row, second element of ith row in this way. Now, can you write jth column of this matrix? So jth column, if you had to write, now you can see this is first column, this is second column, third column. Similarly, can you write jth column? So you can write jth column here. See, if you write jth column, so jth column can be written as, see, this is which column? Third column. So jth column will be A1j, A2j, A3j, okay, Aij. This is ith row and jth column, and Amj. Okay, so this is jth column. Okay, now you can see this element Aij. This element is intersection of ith row and jth column. Intersection of jth column and ith row. Okay, so Aij is element of ith row and jth column. Okay, so what is A12? A12 is element of first row, second column. A13 is element of first row, third column. Okay, A22 element of second row, second column. A23 element of second row, third column. So in this way you can write all elements of a matrix, and for each element there is one address of the element. Okay, so what is address of the element? You can say Aij. It is element of ith row and jth column. So this is the address of this element. Okay, so each element has fixed position in this matrix. Okay, so what is matrix? Matrix is nothing but an arrangement of elements in rows and columns. ठीक है, जैसे आप लोगों के रोल नंबर्स क्लासरूम में रोल नंबर्स दिए जाते हैं अगर आपको, तो हर एक रोल नंबर के अगेंस्ट में कौन सा स्टूडेंट बैठेगा उसकी जगह फिक्स्ड रहती है. ठीक है, तो जो रोल नंबर्स हैं वो भी कैसे रहते हैं? दे आर ऑल्सो रेक्टेंगुलर अरेंजमेंट. ओके, so that arrangement has no numerical value, but that arrangement itself is actually a matrix. Okay, so this is the definition of matrix. Okay, so when we write elements of a matrix, then we enclose all the elements within square bracket. We use square bracket to enclose elements of the matrix. Okay, now what is order of a matrix? Order of a matrix. Order of a matrix. So if a matrix has m rows and n columns, then order of that matrix is m cross n. Okay, so if a matrix has m rows and n columns, then order of that matrix is m cross n. Okay, example. If you take this matrix 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what will be the order of this matrix? Now for this matrix, how many rows are there? What are rows? Rows are horizontal lines. R1, R2. These are rows. How many columns? C1, C2, C3. How many columns are there? 3 columns. So what will be the order of this matrix? If you denote this matrix as A, then order of matrix A is how many rows? 2 rows and 3 columns. So it will be 2 cross 3. 2 cross 3. Okay. So in this way we can write order of any matrix. Okay. So this is order of a matrix. Now I am writing few matrices. Now you tell me what are their orders. 1, 2, 3. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. Next 1, 2, 3. Okay. Then you can say 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6. Okay. Never place comma sign between the terms in matrix. Now what will be the order of this matrix? Tell me. What will be the order of this matrix? See, this matrix has how many horizontal lines? 3 lines and 1 column. So what will be the order? 3 rows, 1 column. Means 3 cross 1. What will be the order of this matrix? How many rows? Horizontal lines? 2. Vertical columns? 2. So order will be 2 cross 2. What will be the order of this matrix? 1 row, 3 columns. 1 cross 3. This is 1, 2, 3. 3 rows, 2 columns. So 3 cross 2. Okay. So in this way you can find out order of any matrix. Okay. So what will be, can you write a matrix which has the minimum order? If you write this element, you can say 0 also here. What will be the order of this matrix? 1 cross 1. Okay. So this is order of a matrix. Okay. Now, next concept, how to generate a matrix if ijth element of a matrix is given. For example, write a matrix of order 2 cross 2 if aij equals to mod I minus j upon 2. Okay. Now, can you write a matrix in which ijth element is given? So, let us suppose if you give the name of that matrix as A and order of that matrix is 2 cross 2. So, that matrix is actually A11, A12, A21, A22. Now you have to write the value of A11. Okay. So what will be the value of A11? Value of Aij is mod I minus j by 2. So what will be the value of A11? 1 minus 1 upon 2. 1 minus 1 is 0. So it will be 0 only. Then A12. In place of I, you write 1. In place of j, you write 2. So it will be 1 minus 2. What is 1 minus 2? Minus 1. And mod of minus 1 is 1. 1 by 2. Okay. Then A21. A21. In place of I, you have to write 2. In place of j, you have to write 1. So it will be mod of 2 minus 1 by 2, it will be 1 by 2, and A22 will be 0. So if you know the ijth element of a matrix, you can generate that matrix. Okay. So now you can solve the first exercise of matrix. Now next. Now what is equality of matrices? Equality of matrices. What is the condition when we say that two matrices are equal? Okay. So two matrices A equals to Aij m cross n and B equals to Bij m cross n are equal if first condition order of A equal to order of B. Second condition Aij equals to Bij for all I comma j. Okay. What is the meaning of this condition? Aij equals to Bij. What is the meaning? That A11 should be equal to B11. A12 should be equal to B12. A13 should be equal to B13. It means two matrices are equal if their corresponding elements are equal. Okay. So this is the condition for equality of two matrices. Okay. Now we will solve one question based on equality of matrices. Okay. See, if you take X, Y, Z, W equals to 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. If this is given, find X, Y, Z, W. Now very easy to calculate. See, if two matrices are equal, then their corresponding elements are equal. So X should be equal to 1, Y should be equal to 2, Z should be equal to 3, and W should be equal to 4. So very easily you can write X equals to 1, Y equals to 2, Z equals to 3, and W equals to 4. So very easy example. Okay. Now we consider one more example. Find X, Y, Z if X plus Y plus Z, X plus Z, Y plus Z equal to 9, 5 and 7. Okay. So now you can see what is order of this matrix. What is order of this matrix? And what is order of this matrix? See, how many horizontal lines? 1, 2, 3. And how many vertical lines? 1. So how many rows? 3 rows and 1 column. So 3 cross 1. Here also 1, 2, 3. 3 rows and 1 column. 3 cross 1. So these two matrices are equal. Now you can equate their corresponding elements. X plus Y plus Z equals to 9, x plus z equals to 5, y plus z equals to 7. 1, 2 and 3. Now if you solve first and third, so what you will get? From 1 and 3. What you will get? 1 and 3. X plus y plus z. What is y plus z? 7. X plus 7 equals to 9. So x equals to 9 minus 7, 2. Okay. So from 2, what you will get? From 2, x equals to 2. So 2 plus z equals to 5. So z equals to 3. Z equals to 3. So if z equals to 3, from 3, you can find out y plus 3 equals to 7. So y equals to 4. So in this way you can calculate values of x, y and z. So very easy to calculate. Now, next concept is types of matrices. Okay. Types of matrices. So types of matrices. Types of matrices. First one is row matrix. Row matrix. Now it is very clear from the name. You can see that this matrix has only one row. Okay. For example, if you take this matrix 1, 2, 3. Okay. A equals to 1, 2, 3. This is a row matrix. It consists of only one row and how many columns? 3 columns. So what is order of row matrix? Here 1 cross 3. Now can you write a matrix which is row matrix and consists of only 2 columns? You can write. Let us suppose 1 row and 2 columns. A, B. This is also a matrix. Okay. So 1 row and 2 columns. Order of this matrix is 1 cross 2. So in row matrix there is only 1 row. Now next one is column matrix. Column matrix. Column matrix. Matrix which consists of only 1 column. Okay. So it has only 1 column. 1, 2, 3. Column matrix. Very easy. Only 1 column. But how many rows are there? 1, row 1, row 2, row 3. 3 rows and 1 column. 3 cross 1. R1, R2, R3. And how many columns? 1 column. C1. So this is a column matrix. Okay. So in column matrix there is only 1 column. In row matrix there is only 1 row. Okay. Now another type, zero matrix. Zero matrix. Zero matrix. Zero matrix is a matrix in which all entries are 0. Okay. It is a matrix in which all entries are 0. Okay. Example 0, 0. Okay. This is a matrix in which all entries are 0. It is a zero matrix. Another zero matrix 0, 0, 0, 0. This is also a zero matrix. Okay. Zero matrix is denoted by O. Okay. Zero matrix is denoted by 4. Okay, so what is order of this zero matrix? 1 row and 2 columns. 1 cross 2. This is 2 cross 2. It is a zero matrix of order 2 cross 2. So all the entries in zero matrix are 0. Okay. Now next one is square matrix. Square matrix. Square matrix. A square matrix is a matrix in which number of rows is equal to number of columns. Okay, so it is a matrix in which number of rows equals to number of columns. Okay, so square matrix. So in a square matrix, now let us suppose this is a square matrix. 1, 2, 3, 4. It is a square matrix. What is order of this square matrix? 2 cross 2. Okay. So you can say A is a square matrix of order 2. Okay. While writing the order of a square matrix, it is not necessary to write 2 cross 2. When we are telling that it is a square matrix, means number of rows equals to number of columns. So it is sufficient to write that A is a square matrix of order 2. Okay. It means number of rows and number of columns both are 2. So it's square matrix of order 2 means actually its order is 2 cross 2. Okay. So A is a square matrix of order 2. So if you write square matrix in terms of Aij, it can be written as A11, A12, A13, A12, A21 and A22. Okay. This is a square matrix of order 2. Now in a square, we know that in a square, how many diagonals are there? 2 diagonals. Okay. But in a square matrix, while we are talking about diagonal of a square matrix, we consider only this diagonal. This is the diagonal of square matrix. Diagonal of a square matrix is the diagonal which contains elements of the form AII. See, A11, A22. This is diagonal of this square matrix. This is not the diagonal. Okay. But this is called principal diagonal. This is also a diagonal. But always when we say diagonal of a square matrix, means we are considering this principal diagonal of matrix. Okay. So what is diagonal of a square matrix? Diagonal of a square matrix. Okay. So this definition is very important. Diagonal of a square matrix. So diagonal of a square matrix is the diagonal which contains elements of the form AII, means A11, A22. This is a square matrix of order 2. So when you write a square matrix of order 3, okay, see, if we write, let us suppose this is B, A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. Okay, so diagonal, this is the diagonal. Okay, so in this matrix, this is also a square matrix of order 3. So diagonal of a square matrix, diagonal of square matrix is the diagonal which consists of elements of the form AII. ओके, AII, A11, A22, A33. ठीक है, इसी में एक टर्म और आती है, ट्रेस ऑफ मैट्रिक्स. ठीक है, और ये जो ट्रेस है ये केवल स्क्वायर मैट्रिक्स के लिए ही डिफाइंड है. ये आपकी एनसीईआरटी बुक में नहीं है, पर कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम में पूछा जाता है ना. ट्रेस ऑफ अ मैट्रिक्स, ट्रेस ऑफ मैट्रिक्स B. Okay, it is A11 plus A22 plus A33. Okay, it is sum of diagonal elements. That is called trace of matrix B. It is also denoted by trace of matrix B. Okay, या trace of matrix B. Okay, so sum of all diagonal elements. It is called trace of a square matrix. It is defined for a square matrix only. Okay, trace of a matrix. So this is a square matrix. So that is one of the type of matrix. Okay, so we have seen row matrix, column matrix, zero matrix, square matrix. Now one more matrix, and that is diagonal matrix. Diagonal matrix. Diagonal matrix. Now, what is the definition of diagonal matrix? So, diagonal matrix, again, it is a type of square matrix. Okay, in which all non-diagonal elements are zero. It is a square matrix in which all non-diagonal elements are zero. Non-diagonal elements are zero. Okay, you can say A equals to Aij. Okay, n cross n is a square